So very nice gaming laptop, 24 GB RAM, i7 processor, RTX 4050 power button. Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Lenovo LVOQ i7 24 GB 512 GB SSD laptop. This is the box. Still will come like this. Here you can see the specification: Core i7 13th generation 13650HX processor, 2.6 GHz, 24 GB, 512 GB SSD, and graphic card is NVIDIA RTX 4050, 15.6 inch display. Batteries comes with a 4 cell. Yeah, these are the things inside the box. User manual, power adapter, USB type, power cable, UK type. This is a laptop design, grey color. Top design, this one. Little heavy. It's a gaming laptop, no? It's also little heavy. You can see the backside connection. This is the ventilation system. Power port, USB port, Ethernet RJ45, HDMI, USB port, and ventilation system. And side buttons we can see. There is no side ports in left side. Let's see the right side. One type C and camera on off button. Headphone jack, 3.5 mm combo, and one USB port. So let's see the inside design. This model one hand we can lift. This is a keyboard. It's a big size keyboard with a backlight. It's a smooth touchpad. Here you can see the i7 13th generation 4050 graphic card RTX. Power button, hinges, webcam with built-in mic. It's a very slim frame. The frame is very slim. The screen is going completely back, like 180 degrees. This one is the backside look of this unit. These are the ventilation system, and this is a reset button to reset the windows. So this is a ventilation system, very nice. And speaker, you can see here, one speaker is here and one more is in the corner. This is second speaker. So let's switch on the unit. It's a very nice keyboard design with the backlight. So quick start up this model. It's a very nice gaming laptop, 24 GB RAM, i7 processor, RTX 4050 graphic card,